खंयच्याय गोश्टीची सुरवात न्ही एका स्वप्नांतल्यान जाता हें आमी पयलीं मनान दवरपाक जाय. खंयचीय गोश्ट तुका समजा फुडें कितें जावपाक जाय हें स्वप्न पळोवप आसता, तुका कितें करपाक जाय हें स्वप्न पळोवप आसता. हें जें आमी बिल्डींग पळयता ऑफ हेडक्वॉर्टर ऑफ गोवा फायर डिपार्टमेंटाचें हें एक स्वप्नांतल्यान सुरू जाल्लें आनी जांच्यांनी हें स्वप्न पळयल्लें जांच्यांनी हें सुरवात केल्लें ते म्हळ्यार मेनन सर आमच्या बरोबर आसा, जे आदले डायरेक्टर आशिल्ले फॉर गोवा फायर डिपार्टमेंट. सर सगळ्यान पयलीं कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन म्हणटा हांव. तुमी घातिल्लें आनी तुमी
Thank you.
पळयल्लें स्वप्न हांगासर पुराय जाता. कशें दिसता सर?
Maga Barista, today we have achieved what we had seen a vision we had seen almost 5 years back, and this was basically for the firefighters who were not staying in a good atmosphere. So I guess the government, especially our Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Savanji, and the then Chief Secretary Sri Parimal Rai ji, and had helped me so much to make this vision a reality. And the GSIDC worked tremendous. I mean, they had put their heart and soul. And today we have a wonderful heritage structure, which everybody envies and says that this is one of its kind in India. Such a wonderful fire service headquarters.
So they say that Goa is the best headquarters in the entire India in terms of ट्रेनिंग म्हणा किंवा इक्विपमेंट म्हणा किंवा तुमचे कामाची पद्धत म्हणा. गोवा इज दी बेस्ट आणि तुम्ही तुमचो वांटो खूब कारण तुमी इतले वर्सां डायरेक्टर आशिल्ले आनी तुमी ते करून दाखयले. सो आयज खंय पळयता आनी फुडल्या 5 वर्सांनी किंवा 10 वर्सांनी तुमकां कितें जाय सर?
See, anything happens, it's a continuous process. Policy decisions, visions, and whatever we do, it's a continuous process. So I'm sure my ex-director, Dr. P.K. John, had a vision. He retired. I had a vision. Now I'm sure the present director, Dr. Mr. Nitin Raikar, will do much more for the state and for the headquarters in general. And I'm sure we will do wonders.
So thank you for being with us. Thank you. देव बरें करूं सर. Thank you.